If you've ever tried to level your lawn with the wrong tool, you know how frustrating it can be. In this video, we've narrowed down the best lawn leveling rakes after real-world testing, hands-on use, and plenty of side-by-side comparisons. Some are built heavy for tough renovation jobs, others are lighter and better for easy maintenance, and by the end, you'll know exactly which one makes sense for your yard. At number 5, what struck us first about the Rocklin lawn leveling rake, 30 inches by 10 inches with a 78-inch stainless steel handle, was just how solid it felt in our hands. This isn't a tool that rattles or flexes when the pressure's on. The entire build is stainless steel, not just the head, but also the 78-inch handle. During testing, we ran it across heavy topsoil, compacted sand, and uneven patches, and the rake held steady with zero wobble. That long handle was a standout feature. Taller testers especially appreciated not having to hunch down, and with the extra reach, we could cover more area in fewer strokes. Specs-wise, the rake head measures 30 inches wide by 10 inches deep, and at about 8 pounds, it has enough weight to press into ruts without being unmanageable. The weight was actually an asset. It kept the rake planted against the soil, so there was no bouncing or skipping like we often see with lighter models. This one is built for tough jobs. If your lawn has dips, uneven spots, or needs a real overhaul, the Rocklin delivers the durability and control to get it done. It's a premium tool, but you can tell it's engineered for long-term use. At number 4, the first thing we noticed about the Landzie lawn leveling rake 36-inch version was how much faster it made the work. That extra width on the head, 36 inches compared to a standard 30, immediately sped up top dressing. We tested it with sand and compost, and it consistently spread material evenly without tearing into the grass. The head itself is powder-coated steel, durable and smooth, which made cleanup surprisingly easy after messy compost runs. The handle here is a composite material, not stainless, which kept the total weight just over 8 pounds but made it feel lighter in use. Despite being composite, there was no flex or cracking even when we leaned into compacted areas. It doesn't press as aggressively into dense soil as the Rocklin, but for most residential lawns, it gave a very consistent, even finish. If we break it down, head width 36 inches, depth about 10 inches, and overall handle length around 72 inches. The weight distribution makes it a tool you can work with for an hour without feeling beat up. This is the rake we'd recommend to homeowners with mid-size lawns who want efficiency and value without stepping into heavy-duty commercial-grade territory. At number 3, the Dremmt lawn leveling rake 30-inch by 10-inch professional grade grabbed our attention because of its toughness for the price. The 2mm thick stainless steel base plate gives it real bite. In our testing on clay-heavy sections, it cut in where lighter rakes just skimmed over the surface. That little extra heft paid off in fewer passes when working on uneven patches. The handle has an ergonomic curve, and that design choice showed up in comfort. Over longer test runs, 25-30 minutes at a stretch, wrists felt less strained than with straight-handled rakes. The 30-inch head gave us good control in tighter spaces, but still enough width to keep progress steady. In terms of specs, 30 inches wide, 10 inches deep, handle length around 72 inches, and weight in the 7 to 8 pound range. The included gloves and pruning shears were a bonus, not essential, but a nice touch for first-time buyers building up their toolkit. This isn't the most polished rake on the market, but it's function first. If branding and finish aren't your priorities, the Dremmt gives you a solid professional-grade feel at a friendlier price point. At number 2, what immediately stood out with the Meoligr lawn leveling rake, 30-inch with adjustable handle, was just how light and easy it was to work with. At only about 5 pounds, this rake is almost half the weight of some of the stainless steel models we tested. That made it extremely approachable, especially for older users or anyone who doesn't want to wrestle with a heavy tool. The adjustable handle was the second big highlight. Each tester was able to tweak the length to their comfort, which reduced back strain during longer use. That's a rare feature in this category, but it makes a huge difference. Specs here are straightforward: 30-inch head, 10-inch depth, weight around 5 pounds, and a handle adjustable from about 50 to 70 inches. Build quality is decent, not flimsy, but not built to take on compacted clay or deep soil renovation. When we tried it on rougher patches, it lacked the weight to cut in. Where it shined was maintenance. For top dressing sand or compost across an already healthy lawn, it spread evenly, stayed easy to control, and never felt like a burden to use. This is the rake we'd hand to someone who wants to maintain their lawn with light, regular top dressing without overexertion. And at number 1, the Landzie Lawn Leveling Rake 48-inch version impressed us because of the sheer volume it handled in testing. This rake is a time saver. The 48-inch wide head covered nearly double the ground compared to 30-inch rakes. And when we tested it on a large lawn, we finished about 40% faster. That's a serious efficiency boost if you're working on big projects. It's not light. The 48-inch head and long handle make it heavier, and once it's loaded with soil, you do need some strength to guide it. But the stability was excellent. Even fully extended, there was no wobble at the head-to-handle connection. The powder-coated head resisted clumping, and cleanup was as straightforward as with the smaller 36-inch model. Specs break down to 48 inches wide, 10 inches deep, composite handle about 72 inches, and weight in the 10 to 11 pound range. The only drawback is maneuverability. In tight or narrow spaces, it feels oversized. But out on open lawns, it was unmatched for speed and coverage. For contractors, large properties, or serious lawn enthusiasts, this rake is an investment that pays for itself in time saved. So those are the lawn leveling rakes that really stood out in our testing. Each one has its place, from heavy-duty tools that handle compacted soil to lighter options that make simple top dressing a breeze. The right rake comes down to your yard, your strength, and how often you plan to use it. Hopefully this breakdown helps you choose the one that saves you time and gives you the results you're after. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.